Hi everyone. I wanted to do a quick little video here of a behind the scenes at Jen's Creative Designs. I'm getting ready to submit files for a trifold brochure for my own company, advertising my services and pen and ink illustration skills. Thought I'd just show you a behind the scenes of my process. I actually began with a piece of paper. I sketch everything out, just a quick little map. I'm a firm believer in everything always starts with an idea, a concept, written out on paper first before you take it into the computer. The computer is just another tool like a paintbrush or a pencil, pen and ink, that turns my creative idea and my thought into the digital world. So I truly believe you've got to start with that idea first, get it all out of your head on the paper, and then you can begin using the tools on the computer to develop it more. So I pulled up a variety of some of my branding just to kind of refresh myself, incorporate some of the same look into my trifold brochure. So this was a flyer advertising that my shop is now open. If you haven't checked it out, go to jenscreativedesigns.com/shop. I sell prints of my original stipple illustration and note cards. And this is a little bio card that I have in some of the local boutiques. And this is the table runner that I have for some of the trade shows I set up at. So I just kind of pulled up all my marketing to compare and look at the branding. This is a wholesale guide showing you a bunch of the different designs that I have. And so if you are interested in reselling some of my prints or note cards, I do have wholesale pricing. So I began in InDesign laying out the 3 panels for the trifold brochure. I'm a very, very visual person. Love my quick little illustrations here. So I took just a sheet of paper and started mocking up what do I have in mind here so I can visualize the panels. So this would be the front panel, the back, and the flap on the inside. I wanted to make a bold statement when you open the trifold brochure with just a thick, solid colored panel that has one of my favorite quotes. To be a good graphic designer, you must first be able to pick up a pencil and draw. Like I said earlier, I firmly believe this. Every idea and concept starts from here, and take it into the computer. There's no magic button, no magic app that does any of this. This is all inside my head. So here is the inside panel. As you can see, I was mocking up some ideas of what I'll copy, information, headers, what I wanted to see in here, and started to lay it out in Photoshop. You can see here in my links panel in InDesign. I'll go ahead and open this one here. So I lay out all the basic illustrations in Photoshop. Turn off some of the layers. You can see each piece. So all the graphics in the entire panel is done in Photoshop, and then I overlay my copy and all the other information onto the panels in InDesign. But I wanted to keep all the nice high-res quality images right here at 300 dpi. That way it makes a nice, clean, crisp presentation. Got my guides so I can see anything past here is the bleed that's going to get cut. My fold lines. And you can see there's just a handful of layers that make up this entire document. So once I have the design all laid out, my copy is written, my images are in, it's spell checked, I printed out a quick little mock-up to give myself a better idea. You can see the banding. My printer's not that great in here. I need some more ink, but just so I can see that my folds are in the right places, my margins are good, the copy reads well. Again, I'm just very visual. I like to be able to touch it and feel it and see it. This entire process I was pulling pieces from my postcard here. As you can see, here's the front. That's the File and InDesign. And the back. So I pulled a couple different elements from there, as well as my thicker business card. Just matching the branding on all of my elements. Once I had that completely, you can see one of the poster designs and a sell sheet. Just want everything to be encompassed in the same look and feel. And once I was done, I uploaded everything to Vistaprint. I love using Vistaprint. Their services, they have great quality printing, very affordable pricing, and I've been very happy with everything there. So my next design I'm getting ready to do, you can see I sketched out here a little square 2.5 by 2.5, a little thank you card that I'm going to insert into some of my prints and other note cards. I really like the square. I think that stands out as a unique design, and I could use it as a hang tag or just slide it into one of my prints. So I'll go to my website here quickly. This video is turning out to be a little longer than I anticipated, but just wanted to show you again. I do offer illustration services, graphic design. If you're looking to pick up one of my prints, click on my shop. I have 8 by 10 prints, note cards, and I'm now offering phone wallpaper. So you can purchase this image for $1.99 and set it as your wallpaper on your phone. So it'll be on your lock screen and your desktop image there. If you have any questions or you're looking for a custom illustration, some graphic design work, logo, branding, I also design direct mail pieces, everything from flyers, postcards, brochures, any kind of direct mail pieces. Send me an email at jgdesigner@hotmail.com, or you can visit my website at jenscreativedesigns.com. Thanks so much for watching.